Hey guys, it's me Gabriel, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to play James's whistle on the Casio electric keyboard. So first, and if you look closely, you can see there's a number pad over there, because there's so many tones in here. Those are the instruments I can play. My favorite personal one is the Koto part. But anyway, we're going to learn how to play James's whistle. So you set it to 171 for the whistle. And for the whistle, there's a trans button too. You just press function and write 12 before it disappears. Then you put this is a two-part whistle. So to play this whistle, first you need a G, like this. And you're gonna know it is a C, and no, that's not. It's going to be a C flat. So when you put them together, you get see, and also, well, that's how you play it. Now I'm gonna show you how to play the first parts of James from the Engine, his song. So we're going to set it to clarinet, which is 159, pretty close. So what this? So you first go. So you go G, G, E, F, D, C, G, C, D, E, C, C, D, G, G, F, D, E. And you have to do a trail like that. It's a little tricky, but I'm not really good at it. And in the song, you also go. It's pretty cool. And this Casio car, if you can see, I put a Saturn sticker on it. I actually named it Saturn. Saturn. And also, it's got a few Japanese instruments like the koto that I showed you earlier. And also it's got a ticker shrew. Oh wait, and also a shine machine, type of guitar, rabbit, and a steel drum, which is sometimes played at Carnival in Brazil, and also played for hula dances in Hawaii. Piano. You might have heard that from once in the Bible when Ian and Clive were talking. Banjo. Country. A shawnai. It's pretty nice. Okay, here's a sontar. Here's a guitar. It's an Indian instrument. Here's the first one. There's two in this one. Here's the first one. And then the other one. I think this one sounds like a real one. Here's a pipa. Zio. Sonoa. Kind of sounds like a trumpet. Sounds like a trumpet over. Shang. And Zeng. A DZ. A young queen, two young queens, Erhu, two earphones, and even some electronic instruments. My favorite is 177. It goes like that. See, it kind of sounds like a video game there. So that's pretty cool. And actually, I'm gonna see if I can play the Runaway theme. First theme. And there you go, guys. That is one of my videos. So, if you want to work with me, well, this is the end of my video. But one more thing, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I hope you do. And smash that like button, and I'll see you later. Bye. Bye.